Hi there, my name is Mitch Anderson, and I'm going to be discussing the lesson that I came up with, which is entitled Tree Sketch. This lesson is designed to be done with students in the concrete operational stage, so from about 6 to 12 years old. It can be done individually or in small groups of, say, 2 to 3 students. And the objective of this exercise is to get students engaged in the natural world and to help them identify the different parts and components of a tree, as well as hopefully identifying the species of their tree. So basically, what the students are going to do is go out into the field and they're going to pick their own tree, a tree that they like, that they want to learn more about, and they're going to compile as much information and do some research on the tree as much as they can out in the field, and they're going to develop a detailed or semi-detailed sketch of the tree to help them identify what type of tree it is. It's done in two different parts. So the first part, when the students go out and pick their tree, either individually or in small groups, depending on where this exercise is being done at, they're just gonna get as much information using their senses from the tree. So what color are the leaves or the needles, what texture is the bark, approximately how tall it is, just basic information on the tree, and this is just done, using their five senses as well as any tools that are provided for the class. Such, examples are a tape measure to measure the diameter of the trunk of the tree, binoculars to see into the upper portions of the tree to see if there's any animal habitat or anything like that. Or an increment borer, if that can be provided with the assistance of an adult. They can take a core sample and figure out exactly how old the tree is. And once they've compiled all this information, they're going to go into the second part, which is compiling the sketch of the tree. And so they're going to use all the information that they found on the tree, and they're going to basically draw everything that they found, all their findings, as detailed as possible. And I've got an example of one that I did right here of a ponderosa pine tree, and it's just got basic information. It's nothing crazy. It's just any identifying characteristics of the tree that are going to help me learn more about it and learn what type of species it is, such as the approximate height, any animals that are making habitat in the tree. I've got some information on the cones of the tree and some different measurements of the needles and colors, and it's basically as detailed as you want to be. Um, and so once the students come up with their sketch, either back in the classroom or out in the field, they'll do as much research as they can to figure out which type of tree it is and just any more information they can get. They can use the internet back in the classroom, or they can use a guide similar to this, which was provided from the local Forest Service here in McCall, Idaho. And it's just got basic information on the different types of trees found in the area, and the students can basically just use some information similar to that to figure out some more information about the tree and to figure out what species of tree that they is their chosen tree. And the whole main purpose of this exercise is just to get the students outside and engaged and thinking about the natural world, and just have some type of exercise that they wouldn't normally do in a normal classroom setting. Thanks for watching.